Hey everyone, let's dive into the essentials of long-term financial planning for beginners. It might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Understand your current financial situation. Before you can plan for the future, you need to know where you stand today. This means listing out all your sources of income and expenses. Calculate your net worth by subtracting your liabilities from your assets. Knowing your financial baseline is crucial. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve financially? Do you want to buy a house, save for your child's education, or build a retirement fund? Be specific and set a timeline for each goal. Short-term goals might be saving for a vacation in a year, while long-term goals could be retiring comfortably in 30 years. Step 3. Create a budget. Budgeting is the foundation of any financial plan. It helps you control your spending and save more. Start by tracking your monthly income and expenses, then categorize your expenses into needs and wants. Aim to cut down on unnecessary spending and allocate more towards your savings and investments. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund can protect you from financial setbacks. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Keep this fund in a high-interest savings account so it's easily accessible when you need it. Step 5. Start investing early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Consider investing in a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversification can help you manage risk and achieve better returns over time. If you're unsure where to start, consider consulting a financial advisor. Step 6. Monitor and adjust your plan. Financial planning is not a one-time activity. Regularly review your financial plan to make sure you're on track to meet your goals. Adjust your budget and investments as needed to accommodate life changes or new financial goals. Step 7. Educate yourself. Financial literacy is key to successful long-term planning. Read books, take online courses, and follow reputable financial blogs and YouTube channels. The more you know, the better financial decisions you'll make. And that's it. Remember, long-term financial planning is a journey, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time and you'll be well on your way to financial security. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips. Until next time, happy planning.